Hey viewers, I recently did a video where I parted out a vintage Specialized road bike that had been left out in the rain, and I pulled this bottom bracket out of there. As you can see, it's pretty rusty and it turns really rough. And I commented in the video that maybe I would try to rebuild it. I had one viewer comment, why bother? You can buy a brand new one on Amazon for 10 bucks. And that's true. But I enjoy tearing things like this apart and getting them working again. There are other people out there that enjoy the same. They enjoy tearing down a free wheel or a free hub or bottom bracket and getting them working again. There are people that enjoy watching that kind of thing. And so these videos are for people like those. But keep in mind, there's also places out there in the world where they don't have Amazon.com. The nearest bike shop is, 500 miles away. So they find videos like that useful. There's places in the world that literally have no access to new parts. And so these videos are for people like them. So you may not find them useful, but there are people out there that do or enjoy watching that kind of thing. So anyway, I just wanted to answer that question because I get these kind of comments on a lot of these videos that, why bother? Just buy a new one. So that's why. It's just some people enjoy that kind of thing. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there and be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post stuff on there occasionally. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.